Since you started watching this video, you're probably an electrician or a DIYer who knows how important it is to have the right tools. That's why today we've picked some genius electrician tools that can make your work a whole lot easier. Plus, we've got a reliable source where you can get all the electrical items you need. So, let's see what we have for you today. You might have thinking, what is this? Is that any kind of toy car remote? Well, this is the Milwaukee Fluorescent Lamp and Ballast Tester, a handy tool for quickly diagnosing issues with fluorescent lamps and ballast. It's designed to test lamps and ballasts without needing any power source, making it easy to check for failures on the spot. The tester features a simple one-button operation, so you can get results fast without any complicated setup. Plus, it has an LED indicator that clearly shows whether the lamp is good or if the ballast needs replacing. Lightweight and portable, this tester is perfect for electricians and maintenance pros who need to troubleshoot lighting problems efficiently and effectively. Now here's a smart tool that can save you from big trouble while digging. The Amprobe UAT600 series is made to help you find underground utility lines before you accidentally hit them. The best part of this tool is it comes as a full kit. You get a transmitter, a receiver, test leads, extra fuses, batteries, and even a tough duffel bag to carry everything. And if you pick the UAT620 version, it also includes a signal clamp. That's helpful when you can't make direct contact with the cable but still need to trace it. For ground fault jobs, there's also an optional A-frame that works with the transmitter. This tool also has a Cat4 600-volt safety rating. That means you can hook it directly to a live electrical line without needing to shut the power off, so your work gets done faster and safer. On top of that, it has multiple tracing modes, which lets you track both powered and unpowered cables. The transmitter automatically picks the right mode depending on what's connected, and you can choose between 8 and 33 kHz frequencies. The receiver has a super clear display that's easy to read in bright sunlight and also lights up in darker spots. All in all, the UAT600 is built tough, accurate, and safe. It's the kind of tool every electrician or digging crew would be glad to have on site.
Now, before we talk about the next tool, here's a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, JLCMC. If you work with electronics, robotics, or anything in industrial automation, you need to check out jlcmc.com. It's a global mechatronic components marketplace that brings together all kinds of high-quality parts, from linear guides and hardware to aluminum profiles, all in one place. What makes JLCMC special? Fast delivery, industrial-grade quality, and prices that are way cheaper than most platforms or retail stores. They even offer free 3D model downloads so you can preview and fit products to your project before ordering. Just go, browse a few products, and you'll be surprised at the savings. And here's the best part. New users get $70 worth of coupons just for signing up, plus access to monthly deals. So, if you're an engineer, manufacturer, or even just a curious DIYer, JLCMC is the place to get your components without breaking the bank. Hit the link in the description below and start building smarter.
So, this is the Fluke SmartTrace BK120 breaker finder, a sleek, handy, yet feature-packed tool for anyone working with electrical panels. Whether you're an electrician, a homeowner, or a maintenance tech, this device helps you find the right breaker fast and without the guesswork. It comes with two parts, the transmitter and the breaker finder, and together they make identifying breakers quick and easy. What makes it even better is the advanced non-contact voltage mode that can detect AC voltage near supply cords or terminal strips, which helps you know exactly where live voltage is. It also includes a built-in GFCI test, so you can check if your GFCI outlets are working properly. Designed for Cat 3 150-volt environments, it works well in both homes and commercial spaces. Plus, it's compact, ergonomic, and easy to handle, so it feels good in your hand even during long jobs. Overall, it's a smart little tool that saves time and adds safety to your electrical work. Ever wish you had one simple tool that could tell you everything going on with your outlets? The Klein RT390 circuit analyzer does exactly that. It comes with a big, bright color LCD screen that clearly shows if there are any wiring issues, AFCI or GFCI faults, voltage drops, or problems with trip times. This little powerhouse can detect common wiring faults, even dual faults like open neutral and open ground, which adds an extra layer of safety to your inspections. It also checks AFCI and GFCI devices to measure how fast and how hard they trip, so you know if they're working properly. Need to test load performance? No problem. It can handle 12, 15, and 20 amp load testing, showing you the percentage of voltage drop under each load. Plus, it automatically turns off after 5 minutes of no use to save battery life. And the cord detaches for easy storage. All in all, it's a smart little tool that saves time and adds safety to your electrical work. Tight spaces and awkward angles can make even simple screwdriving a pain. But that's where the Skil SD5619 twist screwdriver comes in handy. This clever little tool has a pivoting head that locks in 3 positions, 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, so you can get the perfect angle without straining your wrist. It also has a forward and reverse trigger button right where your finger rests, making it super easy to switch directions on the fly. To give you more control, it comes with 3 torque settings, so you can adjust the power depending on the job. There's also a built-in LED light that helps you see better in dark or tight spots. The kit includes the 4-volt cordless screwdriver, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and 2 2-inch bits, so you're ready to go right out of the box. With integrated battery and modern USB-C charging, it's all about convenience, comfort, and getting the job done without any hassle. If you've ever struggled with cutting through thick, tough cable jackets, the Nipex Ratchet cable cutter is the tool you'll want by your side. It slices through hard plastic sheets up to 7mm thick without a problem, which makes all your tough jobs a lot easier. The hook blade is sickle-shaped, strong, and foldable for safe and easy transport. And the best part is, it's interchangeable. You also get 4 locking blade positions: folded, straight, angled, and movable, so you can adjust it based on what the job needs. For added safety, there's a 3-stage blade protection system, which gives you peace of mind when handling or storing it. Plus, the handle is shaped to fit your hand comfortably, so it feels good to use even during longer jobs. All in all, this cutter is a compact, smart, and tough solution for dealing with heavy-duty cable work. Working around live electrical parts isn't something you take lightly, and that's exactly why the Wiha 3/8 torque key electric exists. It's built with safety in mind and gives electricians a reliable solution for fastening components onto bus bars inside junction boxes. With a precise 10-degree switching angle and 2 directions of rotation, this torque key lets you apply strong but controlled tightening. You can manually set your desired torque by pulling out and rotating the handle while checking the numerical scale, which makes adjustments quick and clear. The 3/8 square drive includes a ball fastener, so your nut drivers stay locked in place while you work. And once you hit the preset torque, you'll feel a clear snapback, giving you that solid feedback you can trust. It's fully insulated and tested to meet the ENIEC 600 standard, so it's safe to use on live systems up to 1000 volts AC. In short, this tool brings precision, safety, and confidence to high-stakes electrical jobs. Next up, the Klein Wide Range Transmission Grip. This tool is made to grab onto ACSR, AAC, and bare copper cables securely, handling sizes from 0.68 to 1.42 inches. Whether you're working on transmission lines or routine maintenance, this grip covers a wide range without needing to swap tools. It holds tight with sawtooth jaws and supports a max safe load of 12,000 pounds, so you get solid, reliable performance during big pulls. The spring-loaded handle locks shut easily and fits most hooks and tackle blocks, which means quicker setups and less hassle. Built tough and made in the USA, it's also designed for one-handed use, so you can work faster and more efficiently out in the field. When it comes to strength and convenience, this grip delivers both. Now this is something cool, and some of you might not have seen it yet. The M18 Forces Logic Underground Cable Cutter from Milwaukee. This is a smart, safe tool for cutting underground cables. With this remote operation feature, you can set it up and then stand up to 30 feet away to make the cut. Cool, isn't it? This remote operation will keep you safe from energized lines. This tool has built-in safety measures which you can activate by just 3 steps, so you know it's ready to go without any accidental cuts. Once the cut is complete, a green light lets you know it's done. This remote cutter is designed to keep you safe by letting you stay clear of any potential hazards, making it a better choice than other cutters out there. It's all about getting the job done safely while protecting yourself. We've shown some cool tools so far, but don't you need something reliable to carry them around your job site? That's why we've kept this WeHa Tool backpack to wrap up the list. When you're juggling a busy workday and need both hands free, this tool backpack becomes the perfect all-in-one solution. It's made for electricians who need their tools organized, protected, and always ready to go. Inside, you get a smart layout with 77 storage options and 30 flexible groups, so everything stays in place just how you like it. It opens a third of the way for quick access, and the tough base keeps it standing firm even in wet or dirty spots. There's also a padded compartment to safely store your laptop, phone, and documents, turning this into a mobile office. Comfort is a priority too, thanks to the breathable straps and strong non-slip handle. And with the Mode system, you can expand it with extra gear anytime. So, those were 10 genius tools that can really up your electronics game. Which one caught your eye? Or maybe you've used some of these already. Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tool tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.